Is learning Blender helpful to create a 3D models better or Shape 3D? What are all the other softwares that will be more supportive for this course? So Blender would definitely, if you learn Blender, in the future of our course, we are introducing Blender. But if you are learning by yourself, that is also helpful, right? And Blender will help in creating your types of models because Shaper 3D is more like industrial designing, right? In Blender you can create most curves, structures, and all. I mean, in Shaper 3D is also possible, but yeah, it is depending upon you which you find it simpler. As Shaper 3D was a beginner friendly software, hence we chose that at the starting. If you are comfortable with Blender, then you can of course go with that. And other softwares are Maya. You can learn Maya. Autodesk Maya is also good. It is similar to Blender, right? So yeah, you can learn Blender definitely. And we will be introducing Blender in this next part of our course. So yeah.